met up with my team and we are heading to Rainforest. Rainforest Cafe.
Where the tree is. Ah, here she is.
Oh, let's find her. Hi, I'm Tracy Tree. Tracy's spacing out right now. So as you can see, we've already dug into our appetizer here. Cheese curds, chicken, egg rolls, the dip. We don't skimp here. And I got the same thing I get every time, which is the chicken quesadillas. They're just so good. Another fun meal at Rainforest. Always a great tradition.